I got a special episode for you today, alright? I'm gonna go pick up a bike. That's right, a cheap-ass bike. Long story short, my first big bike ever is what I'm picking up. Not the exact one, the same year, same model. Picking up for dirt cheap, 3.5 hours away in Alabama. Alright, so stay tuned. I think you're gonna like what you see. So I just picked up the bike. $250. Let's take a look. I was saying $250 gotta be a piece of shit. I mean, you're probably right. Damn, son. Yeah, the motor's out of it. It's blown up. But you can tell this bike has not had much time on it. YouTube, back home, long journey. Like I said, it's like 3.5 hours away. You know, almost 7 hours of driving time today. And of course, I get home and it's pouring down rain. Let's go out to the trailer. Let's check this thing out. You'll have to excuse me for the lighting. I'm in my trailer. But it's fucking raining cats and dogs outside right now. So, yeah, we'll deal with it. So here she is. After a little research running the VIN, 2005 RM125. As you can see, I mean, there's a little surface rust, ain't nothing a little powder coat can't fix. Rear suspension needs to be rebuilt, bushing shot, leaking like a sieve. Front forks too, needs new tires. Really just good gone through and cleaning. We'll figure it out. Nothing's that hard. It's a pretty clean bike. It's got good bones. Now we just got to dig into that motor, which does not look good at all. But for trading a cheap pistol and $250, I can't complain. What we got cooking? Engines. Dang. They're all organized. Everything's there. Everything but the jug. Look at the inside of that clutch cover. Ugh. It was such a pain getting them old gaskets out of the water pump housing. All this needs to be sent off to vapor blasting. Crank. I'd say this motor is in great shape, wouldn't you say? They took it halfway apart. Can't even roll that bad boy. They took it halfway apart and just left it in boxes. Here's the cases. This is after some cleaning. Doesn't look too bad now. The big thing is combustion chamber. Look at that. Look how bad that is. There's no cracks or anything like that. There's a guy who does vapor honing. The nearest person's 2 hours away. I thought about sending it off, but I'm just going to go ahead and drive it up there Saturday. If everything permits, we'll see. Look at that. Oh, this thing is nasty. Tore the motor down. Sorry I didn't videotape it. It's one of those things. I don't have a tripod. I'm new to this, so subscribe, like, hit that little bell for notifications. There's going to be more to come, but I'm reaching out to y'all to ask for your comments, man. Just let me know what I should do. Kind of in a bind right now. All right, so I tore the whole motor apart. And man, it's nasty. It's nasty. Yeah, I got the bike for $250 altogether. I'm in it for like $500. I got to do a complete rebuild on the motor, and I had to order ahead. I already ordered a jug because there was no jug on the bike. So right there, brand new OEM, $750, or get on eBay. I found one for 79 bucks, but it's going to cost me $300 to weld, bore, and replate, and then not to mention got to get a piston and rings to match the new cylinder. And then on top of that, we got to go and get a wrench rabbit kit, which we all know wrench rabbit's the best. And that's going to cost me about $750. So right there, I'm looking at $1,100. Yeah, I can be about $1,600, but still got to get tires changed and everything. What should I do? You let me know. Put a comment down below. Let me know what I should do. Should I just rebuild the motor, or should I just turn around and sell this bike for a profit? Recon Moto, like, subscribe, hit that bell down there. I'm watching. Hit the bell. Hit the bell down there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in for more. Don't forget to comment. What should I do? This 2005 RM125. Catch you later.